welcome to Riz's Cooking. Today will be...
What are you?
A nitty sandwich.
What?
Time to toast it. Today we are gonna cook Liam. Toast it first. Okay, the first ingredient. Put some lettuce and tomato. And then your turd and pea. Right in the center. And then your condiments, of course. You can never forget that. Get inside. And then
Put your pea and turd into it.
I'll just put. Hey, you're still alive.
Ow.
Time to put there. And then.
What are you doing with me?
And then more buns.
What are you doing with me?
And then some hats
What are you doing with
for
me?
decoration. And then
I
time to eat it.
said, what are you doing with me?
Shut up. I'm gonna eat you. Hey!
Welcome to Liam's Cooking Show. Today we're cooking a Rizwich.
Let me go.
What? Cooks. Start with your lettuce and tomatoes. Cook. Okay, we cooked it. And now, let's start. I'm so drunk. We would put turd in it. Let it cook for 1 million minutes. Then put the That's it. Go. Have fun. Time to eat.
Delicious. Time to get a drink of blood. Get out of the way.